Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 5th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir was up 4 cents today, 0.17%. We closed at 23.21, and I am too late tonight to have the post-market numbers. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So interesting day. So we went pretty up high today. So we had the high of 23.88. So almost up to the high of yesterday, but then we're squished down during the day, and we closed at 23.21, and our support is at 23.17. I'm sorry, but can we get more precise than that? I don't think so. We closed right smack on support, and let me just change the color of this number. It's bugging me. Yes. Okay. Yeah, very strange candle here. Lots of selling pressure. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Oh, look at this. Look at this. We had a nice candle during the first hour. Lots of hope. Yes, we are going up this high. Yes, 23.88. So the stock is going to come back up. Look at the stochastic here. So after this candle here, look at the stochastic. Stochastic was at 24. So don't believe any stock movement when stochastic is not, I would say, at least 40, 50, 60. And the higher the stochastic, the more believable is the move. So here the move was nothing, it was simply nothing. The second candle was just pretty much was a sideway, and then we went back to exactly the support. I cannot get over this. Look at this support. Very little buying pressure, volume also pretty low. The stock has just stalled. People don't know. I think people don't know what to do with this stock. I'm not going to buy and I'm not going to sell, and people just don't know what to do. Very interesting to look at. Let's look at our indicators. So stochastic. Why do I have this green thumb there? I was checking if you were paying attention, guys. So stochastic at 3. Can it be lower than that? It was lower. It was approximately that low when we came back to this support right here. So we had stochastic at 37.83. So this was the absolute low, and then things started to move up a little bit, but then because stochastic right here was not super high, it just fell down. And then tried the second time. Stochastic was not very high again. It just fell down, and then tried to build its stamina. And here, look at stochastic. The stock was not getting very high, but stochastic was getting higher and higher. So this is what you need to look at. When a stock is barely moving up, but the stochastic is going up, then this is telling you, okay, pressure is being built and the stock is going to shoot. What did happen? This is what happened. We had an up and down here. Stochastic was also pretty high, around 70 something. And then what happened? Boom! We opened super high here, and we maintained, and we had this great run up. So now we should not be in a hurry to get back into Palantir right now. You can go in right now and hope that this is the low. But in terms of technical analysis, we don't have any indication that things are going to jump back up for good. The type of technical analysis I do is trend following. So I wait to see a reversal in trend before I enter something. So I don't enter when the stock is low, because who says that it's not going to go any lower? So I need to wait for some indication that it's bouncing back up. Let me do something else also. So we have this bearish channel, resistance, support, And let me just try to do this. We seem to be going at this speed right now. I'm going to put it gray. This is the middle of the channel here, and look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 last candle have been following this middle channel here. This is basically the slope that we are in at. So I'm just putting it there just so that we understand that we are basically on the lower part of the bearish channels. Yeah, I just like to put lines on my chart. What can I say? The stock is in the dumpster, and personally I am waiting for some indication that it is going to crawl back up before I enter in. Let's just be patient and wait until the phoenix rises up again. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member of this channel if you like what I do. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link if you want to use this wonderful tool and save some money. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.